Now your certified storm-ready forecast from NBC 25.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm meteorologist Ahmed Badji. Now, it's been a beautiful day, and we've had some warmth to kind of make us feel a little better from the snowstorm that happened earlier in the week. We're going to try and forget about that. But then as we go into this next week, we actually have another storm we have to watch for. But there is a silver lining to it. Now, here's what we've got actually going on across the area right now. Storm-ready Doppler, nice and clear for us. However, there is some snow just to the south of Grand Rapids. We do not have to worry about that. It is going to stay down that way, continuing to slide to the south. So overall, for the forecast, what are we going to be looking at? Well, it's going to stay cold all over again, and then we're going to have the sunshine sticking around, so silver lining to the cold, but there is another storm that's coming in by midweek. So what am I talking about with that? Well, I'll get to that. First off, 5 degrees for your low overnight tonight in the southern counties. Clearing comes in after midnight, so we're going to have that cloud cover kind of sticking around all the way until about midnight, and then it's going to slowly start to kind of mix away and slide off down to the south as well. The winds are going to stay breezy, though. North-northeast 8 to 14 miles per hour. 20 degrees for your high tomorrow, so we're still staying cold. Northeast winds 7 to 13. Not much like the 40-degree temperatures we had a little earlier today, and then we had the 50-degree temperatures earlier the last couple of days in the week. Now we're going to have to drop back down and bring us back to, well, the last little grip of winter. It will be very pretty, though. Nice sunny skies all the way throughout the day. Now into the Tri-Cities, we're still looking at cold temperatures as well. 4 degrees for your low, 8 to 14 out of the north-northeast. Faster clearing than down to the south. So that's kind of some good news because everything's coming in from the north, and then it's going to start to slowly filter on down to the south. Everybody to the north, well, you clear up a little quicker, but that means you get colder. 20 degrees for your high tomorrow, 7 to 13 mile per hour winds out of the northeast. Bright and sunny, but cold. Now as we go into the northern counties, remember what I said, you guys clear faster? Well, even faster in the northern counties. Partly cloudy skies, -1 for your low overnight tonight. We can't shake that symbol. I want to just get rid of it, but we can't yet. 19 degrees for your high tomorrow, 5 to 10 mile per hour winds out of the northeast. Staying sunny longer actually, because you clear out the clouds earlier, you get more sunshine throughout the day. So kind of give and take. Now, model-wise, what are we looking at for the next few? 8 o'clock tonight is when we're starting our model into motion. Cloud cover, again, filters out by the time we get into Sunday morning. Watch this a little later on in the morning. We're bright and clear, and there's still plenty of it off to the west as well. That's going to stay like that all the way through Sunday night into Monday morning. Monday is going to be mostly sunny as well for most of the day, and then by the time we get into the early afternoon hours is when all this cloud cover is going to start to filter on in. More snow stays off to our north, though. That's the good news. That whole line stays way to our north. We don't even have to deal with it. Next 7 days, there is some things that we do have to deal with. Now, I'll talk about St. Patrick's Day in a minute, but the main thing is, as we go throughout the next couple of days, we're looking at some mix of rain and snow all the way through Wednesday, and then as we head later on into the next couple of days, we're looking at another mix on Friday and Saturday. The main thing to watch for, though, is Tuesday night and Wednesday. Why are we going to have to watch for that? Well, it's going to be slick. Yes, it's warm during the day, so we're not going to get a lot of snow, but we are going to get a mix of rain and snow, especially during the nighttime hours, which leads us to having kind of an ice danger. Now, Monday, though, St. Patrick's Day, well, what are we expecting? Lucky sunshine. Like I said, we're looking at mostly sunny skies in the morning and into the afternoon. 25 to 28 for your high around the Flint, Owasso, and Lapeer area. 27 to 29 throughout the Tri-Cities and then to the north as well. So not too bad for Monday, Stephanie. But again, the cold temperatures, they'll go away, but they kind of bring in another storm with them by midweek.